Sustainable marketing, strategies for eco-friendly digital campaigns. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, companies are constantly looking for innovative ways to reach their target audience while also being environmentally conscious. Sustainable marketing, also known as green marketing or eco-marketing, is a strategy that focuses on promoting products and services in an environmentally friendly manner. What is sustainable marketing? Sustainable marketing is a marketing approach that emphasizes the importance of social and environmental responsibility. Sustainable marketing aims to create long-term value for both businesses and society as a whole by promoting products and services that are sustainable and eco-friendly. Why is sustainable marketing important? Sustainable marketing is important for several reasons. First and foremost, consumers are becoming increasingly aware of the impact that their purchasing decisions have on the environment. By implementing sustainable marketing practices, companies can appeal to environmentally conscious consumers and differentiate themselves from competitors. Strategies for eco-friendly digital campaigns. Use green advertising, incorporate eco-friendly messaging and visuals in your digital campaigns to demonstrate your commitment to sustainability. Implement sustainable digital strategies, adopt digital marketing tactics that minimize energy consumption and reduce waste. Embrace ethical advertising, ensure that your digital campaigns are truthful, transparent, and socially responsible. Conclusion. In conclusion, sustainable marketing is a powerful strategy for companies looking to align their values with their marketing efforts. By implementing eco-friendly digital campaigns and adopting sustainable branding practices, companies can differentiate themselves in the market, attract socially conscious consumers, and contribute to a more sustainable future.